Out in the woods again. Welcome to the Newcampingman. How you feeling new today? Andy. So not got the tarps up yet, but we're having, well, my daughter's out, but she's only out for a few hours. Got work tomorrow. She can still go camping and go to work, but she don't want to do that because she gets tired. She's tired. Anyway, there we are. We're all set out. It's a bit soggy today. Not going to stop me. Soggy. Sorry?
Clearly stopped me.
Clearly stopped you. What, soggy? So it stopped you. And enough of the innuendos with that. Just soggy will do. All right, let's put that one to bed. I know what you... No, we're not thinking that. So somebody has left a fire. This is my little spot. Why are you making a fire in my little spot? I'm not even cleaning it up. That'll get cleaned up in the morning, hopefully. And we have the famous crap on the ground. Excellent. Crap on the ground. And dog, should we say the word? Yeah. Dog shit. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's it. Dog shit. Yes, that. Right. So, we're getting hungry. Well, I'm getting hungry anyway. But I've got some beers for tonight. What did... Always have beers. Because that's Andy, you know. Andy. That's my little phrase for nowadays. I suppose it's got to have some kind of phrase. So welcome to Newcampingman and Andy. Andy. We're all Andy.
Probably explain that what you're saying is handy.
It's meant... What's it meant to be?
Handy with a H.
It's not. It's Andy. As in Andy, but not Andy. As in handy. Andy.
As in a confusing Nottingham accent.
Yeah, that one as well, in a confusing Nottingham accent. So, I've just done a bit of change around from my normal spot when I come. So, my daughter's robbed my normal spot, but I wanted to go somewhere different. So, I can still see that area that we came last time where the kids have been. I'm going to do something with that later. Well, I might do. I'm figuring it out. But, you want to get your carving kit out, don't you? She wants to get a carving kit out. Oh, she wants me to get a carving kit out. Lazy. Shall I leave you to eat?
Yeah, my gluten-free cat food.
Gluten-free cat food.
There's no pasta in it.
She's wheat intolerant, see? Well, she has to be weird, so why not? The beer tree. Welcome to the beer tree. Where I'm going to go and have my beers and sit down and have my beers. It's nice to be back out here again. But I'm getting hungry. Or is it angry? Angry, hungry, whatever, that and all. So there we go. So we'll get some carving and shizzle, darling, shizzle. Saying that word again. Shizzle. Can I say it? Go on. Shit, done. Shizzle, shit. Should I say that? Should I say it? Yeah. Shizzle, shit. It's not really swearing. Well, I've already said it, so. There we go. There we go. Right then. Dinner time. It seems like I've got the woods to myself. I hope so anyway. Seems really quiet. Nobody about. Which is cool news. I like it that way. So Cornish pasty. And I've had a bit of, we call it cat food, but it's tuna. It's nice. Not putting the stove on just for that. Just something nice and quick to eat. But it was a cold Cornish pasty, but I like it cold, I like it hot. How do you like your Cornish pasty? Is it got to be hot? Is it got to be cold? Let me know in the comments. How do you like your Cornish pasty? Or do you have a Cornish pasty? Or what sort of things do you like to eat that are just like pastries and stuff like that? Sometimes it's handy to just have something simple like that. Maybe, you know. Ideas, plans, ideas and all that lot. Absolutely. Andy. Laplander. Are you a Laplander man? Or are you a silky? Or what sort do you like? But there we go, my Laplander. So I'm not sure what we're going to do with this yet. Or my daughter's going to do with it. But she's got, What did you buy?
Carving tools. It's the 12 most popular blades. So I'm just going to give them a go and see what happens.
Well, yeah, I'm going to chop that up. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. What do you reckon? Spoons? Could you reckon manage a spoon?
I'll give it a go. We'll see what happens.
Or forks? Fork
We'll
might
see.
be.
We shall see.
Okay. Don't know what about keeping that last bit there, you reckon, or not?
Yeah, keep it. I'll see if I can carve it off.
Oh dear, we're slipping. It's a bit wet round on the ground at the minute, to be honest.
Got a soggy stump.
Shut up. That wasn't... Yes, I'm sorry about that. I'm making a hash of this, I'm sorry. There we go. Now, some people love sawing. I'm not really a fan. But I do it. Yeah?
Yep.
How many do you want?
3? Just chop it again. Chop it there.
Do you want another one after that?
We'll see how... Yeah, just chop it into 3 sections. I've just had a really thick moment. I've had a moment to myself. So I was about to say all the dust coming off when you saw. Realise it's called sawdust. I've just realised why sawdust is called sawdust. It's the dust from sawing.
Are you kidding me? Really?
Yeah.
Yes, Amber. It's sawdust. Unbelievable. So you're just testing all the blades out, aren't you? You're not really cutting anything.
Not actually trying to make anything. I'm just testing how all the blades go in and how easily they work. Like that.
That's like a little chisel, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a rounded one. You sort of create a more rounded shape. It's a proper arm workout, this. Just absolutely covered. I'm trying a spoon. I've never made a spoon. The only thing I've ever managed to carve is chopsticks. But then again, it's the only thing I've tried to carve. So we're really trying.
It's going to be a little teaspoon, isn't it? Because it's got to be. Look at the size of it.
Well, yeah, like a decorative small spoon is the goal.
Shut up.
The goal is to get this bit inwards, so it sort of creates a bit more of a like a teaspoony shape. Then take the side off, so I can sort of round it out a little bit. That's the goal. We'll see how that goes.
I'll just try to improve that kid's shelter, because I might have a chill out in there later. We'll see. I mean, I've left it for him to do some work. It's not exactly waterproof, but put some more leaves on it. It's a little debris shelter. I reckon after a bit more work, that would look pretty cool. There is better shelters in here, but the kids started on that, and then I just put a little bit of improvement on it. But it's a start. I mean, come on. And chill out in there. Maybe. You know what I mean? We'll get a go. Can anybody tell me? Actually, it doesn't matter. I was going to say there's some... I don't actually know these plants. And it's really bad that I don't know these plants. And they're all over the place. But I do like the look of them flowers there. That's part of them. So that's a debris shelter from another angle, look. I mean, it needs a lot more leaves on it, but I've got bored. I can't be bothered. I might do it another day, but I'm sure kids will fill it in for me, you never know. So, I've put a few more leaves around this now. Look how cosy that is. So, I'm going to sit in here later in the debris shelter that the kids have made. I'm going to sit out, chill and have a beer. in here. Put some light maybe in there. How about that for a collection of beers? This may not be the best firewall, but serving the purpose. I'm ready for a beer now. Do you believe it? It's got a corkscrew. Well, that's the first time I got a chance to use my Swiss Army knife for corkscrew. Well, that was getting to be hard work. It was doing my head in. Now I've done a bit of chopping. So I've got a load of wood. So there we go. That's a bit pathetic, but actually it's not bad. It's not bad. It'll work. Yeah, that'll be better. Just move something back. It heats up. It heats up. It'll be all right. Actually, it looks all right now. So there we go. And I've got some beers from Yorkshire today. So quite a few Yorkshire beers as well. God's own country, apparently. That's the fire going then. That looks inviting. Lovely or not. No problem at all. Early days. Okay. Jacket taters in the fire. Welcome to the den. Welcome in. So this is like a kid's little, this debris shelter. I made it into like a little den. That's what I'm going to call it. Well, it's not a little den, is it? It's a debris shelter, but I used to call them in the kids' dens. That's what we used to call them, little dens. And this is my little den. For chilling out for the night with the beers in the den. How about that? All about in the den. So the camp is the den. Out the den we go. Into the fire pit or fire thing. But look at that. Look how inviting that is. Its own little cave. Right in there. And sitting chilling that'd be so cool. With my hammock there and in the den. So it impresses me what the kids do with these particular shelters. I'm going to have a chill out in one and then we're going back to the den. So we're going to go in this one now and I'm going to chill out. But look at this. It's not quite my den, but I will say that. Ah, dear. Sorry, a bit of a nightmare sitting down. Look at this, look. And the moon up there. Now, you really don't see the moon through this, but here we go. Right, I'm going to chill. I'll catch you later. Okay, look at that. Taters and chilli. Excellent. So, just out of a ration pack, got some hot diggity dog sauce. Literally hot diggity dog sauce. Hot dog, diggity dog. Hot dog, diggity dog. So I'm going to put some of that in, give it a kick. Love it. Andy. So I'm going to sit in the den, have me beer, and catch you in the morning and have a bit of food. So see you in the morning. I might see you in the morning, but me battery's a bit low on my thing, so if you don't catch me in the morning, I'll try. I think I'll be alright though. All day breakfast in the morning, ration pack. See you then. But I'm going to eat my dinner now, because I'm hungry. And drink beer, of course. In the den, in the den, in the den. Well, I can't go to sleep yet. Still having my beer, but brought me a little fire. So, into the den. So, there we go. So, have a few beers and chill out. But that's not bad, is it? Really, that's okay. So, that was part of a ripped up barbecue that I brought, one of the disposable jobs as well. Chuck some coals on the fire. Okay, and then use this chill out. So I brought some bits from home. Well, I got some natural stuff, but I also brought this as well. And then just using it to chill in here with. Morning. Right, it's supposed to rain at some point, so I'd best get cracking at some point. So, what we got for dinner breakfast? A ration pack. All day breakfast. Well, classed as I suppose. And that looks lived in. So, I'm probably gonna just have a little bit of a clear up. And I may catch you later for the last bit of saying, last bit of videoing, but my battery's a bit low. Looks lived in there, doesn't it? So, we're all cleaned up. Leave no trace. Got it? Leave no trace. Tell everybody else to leave no trace. I believe there's a Facebook group called Wild Campers Against Waste. Try and follow it. Try and join that group. I'm on the group. Leave no trace. There was the fire. There was their fire. And that rubbish, which I put over there out the way, is coming with me. Thanks for watching Newcampingman. Thank you. Please subscribe and ring that bell. Thank you very much.